Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of mixed trade and policy updates. After months of stagnant activity, the American pending home sales rose in March, marking the first gain in the past 9 months. Pending sales are like our REINZ unconditional contracts, although they haven't legally transferred yet, which is when QV measures transactions here. The actual US gain was 3.4%, whereas markets were expecting only a 1% gain. It's a spring bounce. The Federal Reserve's latest review meeting is about to start, and we'll hear decisions on Thursday. The focus there is on US labour market progress, and their attention is shifting to the US participation rate as the key metric the Fed will use to change policy settings. The next update on that will be at the weekend with the release of US non-farm payrolls. Across the Atlantic, ECB President Draghi told German lawmakers overnight that quantitative easing programs in Europe aren't imminent, and it is relatively unlikely for now, according to a Euro area official who was present at the meeting. South Korea has been in the news recently with a terrible tragedy, but the country is actually gaining prosperity. It saw exports grow and its overall economic growth beat forecasts in March at 3.9%. South Korea has a higher per capita GDP than New Zealand. The price of iron ore in China is under threat from their changing financing rules. From May the 1st, letter of credit purchases will apparently require a substantially larger deposit. That'll make the cost of trading in the commodity more difficult. In other commodity news, gold has slipped below $1,300 an ounce again. The oil price is unchanged. Equities are lower in mid-afternoon trading in New York, and the benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yield is up to 2.7%, a gain of 3 basis points. Today we get the New Zealand March trade balance data, and a big gain is expected. February saw a trade surplus of $818 million, and markets are now expecting the March surplus to grow to $1.2 billion. We'll see. An unexpected result could affect the currency today. We start today with the New Zealand dollar lower again against the US dollar at just under 85.3 US cents, down against the Aussie at 92.3 Aussie cents, and the TWI starts at 79.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.